Let's say, somewhere in the endless expanse of space, unimaginable forces are silently shaping the cosmos. What if these forces, the ones we usually attribute to the vastness of the universe, were operating much closer to home? Like, right here, in our solar system? What would happen if these mysterious cosmic objects were scattered throughout our solar system, hiding in plain sight? Would they silently reshape everything we know about space, or even life itself? Today, we're diving into the bizarre, brain-bending possibility of infinite black holes coexisting with the sun, planets, and moons. Ready to get your mind blown? Let's go! What are black holes? Before we dive into the chaos of a solar system infested with black holes, let's break down what a black hole is. A black hole is an object with gravity so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape its pull. Think of it as a cosmic vacuum cleaner, but with no off switch. These bizarre objects typically form from the collapse of massive stars or, in the case of supermassive black holes, at the centers of galaxies, where they control the gravitational ballet of millions of stars. But here's the kicker, not all black holes are massive. There's a theoretical category called primordial black holes, PBHs, which could be as small as a grain of sand. These might have formed just moments after the Big Bang when tiny fluctuations in density collapsed under their own gravity. And if these PBHs exist, they could literally be everywhere, even in our solar system. Could black holes really exist here? For now, let's be optimistic, and by optimistic, I mean wildly speculative. If there were an infinite number of black holes in our solar system, they wouldn't be the massive, star-devouring monsters we imagine. Instead, they'd likely be these tiny primordial black holes. Small enough to avoid immediate detection but still packing immense gravitational power. The math of cosmic chaos. To understand how this might work, let's consider the density of dark matter in our galaxy. Dark matter, the mysterious stuff that makes up about 80% of the universe's mass, is spread out in space like a thin fog. If black holes are a major component of dark matter, then statistically speaking, some could be right here, chilling between Mars and Jupiter or drifting through the asteroid belt. And here's the mind-blowing part, if black holes in the asteroid mass range are scattered throughout the solar system, there could be one close to us right now. Its gravitational pull would be so small that we might not notice it immediately, but over time, the cumulative effects could become evident. Are there black holes in our solar system? The short answer? Maybe. While we haven't directly observed black holes in our solar system, the possibility isn't completely outlandish. Let's explore why. Primordial black holes could be everywhere. If PBHs exist, they'd be incredibly small, possibly smaller than a pinhead, but with the mass of a large asteroid. These stealthy black holes wouldn't emit light, making them nearly impossible to detect directly. However, their gravitational pull could cause tiny anomalies in the motion of planets, moons, and asteroids. The search for the Planet 9 black hole. In recent years, astronomers have been puzzled by the odd orbits of objects in the outer solar system, far beyond Neptune. Some theorize that a massive planet, dubbed Planet 9, is responsible. But there's another, wilder theory. What if Planet 9 is actually a small black hole? If true, this could mean that black holes aren't just lurking at the edge of the galaxy, they're in our own cosmic backyard. What would infinite black holes do to our solar system? The idea of infinite black holes in the solar system might sound like the end of everything, but don't panic just yet. If these black holes are small enough, their effects would be fascinating rather than catastrophic. Let's dive into some possible scenarios. Disturbing planetary orbits. Even a tiny black hole has a gravitational field strong enough to affect nearby objects. If an infinite number of these black holes were scattered throughout the solar system, they could subtly tug on planets, moons, and asteroids. Over millions of years, this might shift planetary orbits, causing long-term changes in the layout of our solar system. Imagine a future where Earth's orbit gradually drifts closer to the Sun. We'd turn into Venus 2.0, a scorched, uninhabitable wasteland. Alternatively, Earth could be nudged further from the Sun, transforming into a frozen ice world. Either way, it wouldn't be a great time for humanity. Asteroid belt mayhem. The asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter would be a prime target for these tiny black holes. As they pass through the region, their gravitational pull could send asteroids hurtling in all directions. Some might collide with each other, creating showers of debris, while others could be flung toward the inner solar system, including Earth. In this scenario, our planet would face an increased risk of asteroid impacts. Picture this: you're sipping coffee on a sunny morning, and suddenly, the sky lights up with a fireball. Thanks, black holes. Moons breaking free. Many of the solar system's moons are in delicate gravitational relationships with their parent planets. Infinite black holes moving through these systems could disrupt these balances, causing moons to spiral away into space or even collide with their planets. For instance, imagine one of Jupiter's iconic moons, like Europa or Ganymede, being pulled out of orbit. The tidal forces unleashed by such an event would create cosmic fireworks, but it would be a bad day for Europa's icy oceans and any life that might exist there. How could we detect these black holes? Detecting black holes in our solar system is no easy task, but scientists have developed clever methods to hunt for them. Gravitational microlensing. When a black hole passes in front of a distant star, its gravity bends the star's light, creating a brief brightening effect. This phenomenon, known as microlensing, has already been used to discover compact objects like rogue planets. If black holes are lurking in our solar system, microlensing events could help reveal their presence. Orbital anomalies. As mentioned earlier, black holes could cause tiny shifts in the orbits of planets, moons, and other objects. By closely monitoring these movements with tools like atomic clocks and laser ranging, scientists could detect the subtle gravitational influence of a nearby black hole. Unexplained cosmic rays. Some theories suggest that black holes could interact with high-energy particles, creating bursts of cosmic rays. If we detect these bursts coming from unexpected locations, it might point to the presence of a black hole. Could we harness black holes? Here's a fun thought experiment. What if we could use these black holes instead of fearing them? One possibility involves Hawking radiation, a theoretical process in which black holes slowly lose mass by emitting energy. If we could harness this radiation, it could become an incredibly powerful energy source. Imagine a future where spacecraft are powered by tiny black hole engines, allowing humanity to explore the galaxy. Another idea involves using a black hole's immense gravitational pull for advanced propulsion systems. By slingshotting around a black hole, a spacecraft could achieve speeds far beyond what's possible with conventional technology. The bigger picture: if infinite black holes exist in our solar system, they wouldn't just reshape our understanding of local space, they'd revolutionize our knowledge of the universe. Black holes are among the most mysterious objects in existence, and studying them could unlock answers to some of science's biggest questions. What is dark matter? How did the universe begin? Are black holes portals to other dimensions? While these questions remain unanswered, one thing is clear: black holes are far more than cosmic destroyers. They're windows into the fundamental nature of reality itself. So, what if there really are infinite black holes in our solar system? The truth is, we don't know for sure, but the possibilities are both thrilling and terrifying. These invisible cosmic forces could subtly reshape our solar system, challenging everything we thought we knew about space. But here's the comforting part. Even if black holes are closer than we realize, they're unlikely to pose an immediate threat. Instead, they offer us an incredible opportunity to learn, explore, and push the boundaries of human understanding. So, the next time you look up at the stars, remember, the universe is full of mysteries. Some might be lurking right here, hidden in the space between planets. And who knows? Maybe one day, we'll unlock the secrets of black holes, and discover that they're not just destroyers, but creators of new possibilities.